Hey champions, so yesterday on the trail I've had a bad puncture. I'll show you soon. I tried to fix it with those repairing kits, tubeless repairing kits, but that wasn't enough because my puncture went on the sidewall here next to the rim, and I ended up putting a inner tube in. So I'm gonna now change this tire and make it tubeless again. First things first, take the wheel off and wash it. Alright, the wheel was messy as all the liquid came out since I put the inner tube in, and it made a mess, and it glued all the sand along the rim, so you give it a wash. So this is the puncture I tried to repair with the kit. Let's get the tube out. Alright. Clean the rim. It's got a big ass dent here. I'm gonna try to fix it. There's a dent here, but it's not too bad. Just check it. Seems okay. I have to make sure to clean inside the track in there before the tire goes and pops in all the old dry liquid. This one's got already ring tape. If I didn't have it, just grab electrical tape, run around it a few times, all good. Punch a hole for the valve. My spare, new aggressor. So how we do it? To stay on the chip for the valve, I've got an old inner tube. Just cut the valve off. Keep some of the rubber around it. It's gonna work as a seal. I'm gonna cut it so it can fit the rim. There you go. Put it on. Make sure it's not too close to the rim. Grab a set of pliers. I trained it a little bit. Felt like it was a little bit too close. Grab my aggressor. Make sure you put it on the right way. There you go. You got the rotation. That's the rotation. So we go this way. I like to keep the name next to the valve so it's easy to find when you need to pump it. And just put it on. That's it. Grab the liquid. Put the liquid in. Turn around. The other side on. Boom, they're on. So now we need to shoulder it, we need to pump it. If you have an air compressor, easy, done. Sometimes I notice with a good pump, just a foot pump, sometimes you can actually get it to shoulder. That's right. Not working. Using a CO2 cartridges. You got 16 grams and 25. For mountain bikes you want to use 25, but to get it to set we can use a 16. Got this thing off eBay for a few bucks. Careful because it gets super cold. Alright. So that now pushed it out onto the rim. Finish off with this one. Hear that? There she is. Spin it a bit to get the liquid going everywhere. See all the little holes. Done. Easy.